Roth IRA account is a very favorable IRA account, and let me share with you why. Let's start off with what the difference is of a Roth IRA account versus a traditional IRA account. The difference is in the contribution and distribution. So with a traditional, as you know, you're making a contribution that is tax deductible. The money will continue to grow tax deferred. And as you make distribution, you're going to be subject to federal taxes at that point. With the Roth IRA, you are making a after-tax contribution. So if you already paid your taxes on your wages, and with that amount, you're able to make contributions into a Roth account, the funds, the investments in the account will then grow tax-free, and you're able to make distribution completely tax-free. And that is why, for purposes of tax planning, Roth is a very favorable retirement account to have. Well, we want to know about the Roth that there are some limitations to what you're able to put in a Roth account. For 2023, it's $6,500 per person. So if you do have a married couple, you're able to both put in for $6,500 for each of this individual. Now, if only one individual works, because the one requirement is that you need to have wages to be able to make contributions into a Roth account. But in case that if only one person works, that's perfectly fine, as long as the income is above the amount of the contributions that you want to make in both of these accounts. So if somebody makes, for example, $30,000, they both can make a contribution for $6,500 into a Roth IRA account. After the age of 50, you're able to add another $1,000 catch-up contributions on top of their $6,500, making that a $7,500. Now, when it comes to distribution, just like the sister account from the traditional, after age 59 and a half, you're able to make a penalty-free contribution, is the same for the Roth. However, there is a 5-year rule that you're able to, as long as the Roth account has been open for at least 5 years, that the principal amount, the amount that you've put in initially, that you're able to make, as long as you have it for 5 years, you're able to take it out prior to age 59 and a half without any penalties. So that is definitely an advantage. Also, when you're a first-time home buyer, you're able to take it out without penalties, and if you're paying your educational expenses with it. So definitely, Roth has its advantages, and the biggest one that I see, given our circumstances that we have right now, is that we don't know what the tax brackets are going to be in the future. Most likely, as we are right now in the season, in the time period where tax brackets are the lowest it has been historically, we could anticipate, and this is my personal opinion, we could anticipate higher tax brackets in the future. If you like the information that I share with you, I'll be honored if you subscribe to the channel. And if you wanted to have a conversation to see if these Roth accounts are types of accounts that can fit and are suitable for your situation, I'll be more than happy to have a quick call with you, or a no cost, no obligation consultation. I'll leave my information in the description below, and hopefully we'll see you back soon with another video. Take care.